Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to talk about my favorite features on the Panasonic Toughbook CF-33. This is Panasonic's hybrid laptop, and you know I've talked about it before on this channel. I love the CF-33, but here's my favorite features. I get excited every time I talk about it with folks. But number one feature, of course, you got to agree with me, is how this just pops off like that. I mean, that's got to be the coolest. But that's one of my favorite features. The second favorite feature I got is you just put it on backwards like this, boom, and it locks in. Now, I don't have to worry about where my keyboard is. I can carry it around like this and still use it. Another nice feature on the CF-33 when they designed it, it was the port covers. They're so wrong words. They are much better designed than the previous models like the CF-30 or CF-31 in this line of rugged laptops. So I just feel like they're better made. They're able to, keep dirt and dust out. You can see right here, they're nice and got this foam rubber lining so nothing can get in here whenever they're closed up. And they snap in really nice, and then they lock in just by sliding like that. That to me is a great feature. Another nice upgrade to this fully rugged from the CF-31 is the cameras. It's got a front camera and of course a rear camera. So you can take nice 8-megapixel pictures with the rear camera, and you still have the front 1080p front webcam. And you can get this like in a hello camera so that you can use it for identification, or infrared camera. So there's a variety of cameras. So that's what I like about this unit. Let me know what you like about it. Leave it in the comments. I'll certainly, I try to respond to all of those comments. And don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.